I'll just show you how to replace the battery in a 2007 Jaguar X Type. You should be able to just bend this open. Basically there's a little kind of indentation just in this side, and if you bend it you should be able to slide it open. You can see it takes a little bit of force, but you can do it, or you can lever it from there, but make sure the key's flat on the desk and you're not going to scratch your kitchen table or something, and just turn the screwdriver so that opens it up like that. Then it is quite difficult. There is a little gap there. There's also a gap there which you'd be tempted to go for first, but you can't get enough levering motion of. If you've got a bigger screwdriver you can probably do it from there, but there's a tiny, and again I'm going to put it on the desk, put that in underneath and just turn it up. That's it, and just turn it a bit further, and then we go over here and we need to turn that up and just click that out. So that's like so. Little screw here, you actually need a tiny Phillips screwdriver. Again, I won't set any bad examples. I'll put the thing on the desk there, where if I slip with the screwdriver like I did then, it's not going to do any harm. It's you're not applying any pressure anyway, so that exposes the battery there with the negative side up. Lever the battery out. It's a CR2032 if you can read that. Put it in the back way. It shows there positive. So with the negative, the rounder side up, down like so. You see there the contacts. Just make sure that's clipped in so that the screw is going to go locate straight in the hole. Press in. Again, I'll put it on the desk. Not meant for hands like this, I'm afraid. I think that's kind of overkill anyway, but locate it again, the two halves of the case, and clip back together. Slide the key in. That's it done.